Hello everyone and welcome to JoBeth Sexton's Crafty Cauldron. I am here today to bring you an unboxing of an order that I have received. It's been sitting for a couple days, but I wanted to do this because this shop is really cool. It's a shop on Etsy, and the name of the shop is Mixed Media Minnesota, and she's on Facebook as well. The shop owner's name is Shannon. There is her business card. Anyway, I heard about this shop through Gayle Agostinelli, who has always been great. I mean, she's always been referring new businesses and businesses on Etsy that are small and don't have a lot of followers and things like that, where you can find really, really good deals. And I really loved this shop because she's got all kinds of listings on Etsy that they're not just like one thing. It's like a pack, a kit. So I really loved that about it because you don't have to like spend a lot of time, you know, wading through all kinds of stuff to get what you want. So what I did was I ordered an Ephemera lace bundle. And I've already looked through it, but I wanted to show you what you get with this. This was the lace bundle. This was A. And I really, really love this because you get, okay, she sent this twine, really nice twine too, and it's on a card. You can reuse the card. Super cool. And then within that bundle also, there are, that's upside down, these and these three, they came with it. Snippets from Timholtz. These are all from Timholtz, and they're all the ideology. So this one is Expedition, this one is Thrift Shop, and this one is Snippets. And the Thrift Shop one is actually one that I was looking at before and I didn't get because it was just like, you know, you go on Amazon, you get one thing like this, and the prices are, I think she's got better prices in her store. So anyway, I don't know if she's got another bundle exactly like this, but she's always adding stuff. I mean, honestly, just about every day I get a notification on Etsy that she's added stuff because I favorited her shop. And I recommend that you do too. So what I have here is just these are the Timholtz ideology. There's three, and then there's this, and then she sent along also this, and this is the lace part of the bundle, and I believe there is 1 yard of each of these, which was really cool for a couple reasons for me, and another reason why I ordered this. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different laces, and these are the heavy crocheted lace. They're like, you know, little string crocheted lace, and they're really cool. You know, they're really nice. You get a really wide one, and you get a narrower ones. And what I like again about these is that this one is the kind that you can use on a binding because it doesn't have a top and bottom. And then, oh, I guess it does, but you can still use it like that. This one doesn't. This one is like, doesn't have a top and bottom. It's just that design. And then these three you can use like on the edge of a page or a pocket or something like that. And the narrow lace is really great for all kinds of stuff. And what I really liked about this also was that these laces, they're apparently they're predominantly cotton, and they're very dyeable. So you can just dye them with your alcohol inks or whatever, which is why I got the next item. Now, the next item was also in a bundle, and I've never tried these before, and I plan on doing a video of these. But these are the Delusions ink sprays, and this was, like I said, also in a bundle. And this one is ground coffee. I haven't even opened these yet. Ground coffee. And this is going to be really pretty. This one is vibrant turquoise. And this one is black marble. And then there's this one. It's white linen. And I'm not sure how that's going to work with the rest of the stuff, but I'm going to find out. I'm going to have a play with those. And then this one is Pure Sunshine, which I believe is going to be a very bright yellow. So, but the great thing about these things is that you can mix them. You know, you can tone down your yellow with your white, or you can just add a little bit of water. Probably, I think these are water-based. Doesn't say. Not for children under 12, just like my videos. So anyway, and there's also a little scan thing on there, so you can scan it. You know, you can scan that with your phone, and it'll take you to a website. So that's kind of cool. Anyway, so those 5 came in a bundle. And the lady, her name is Shannon, and she's got really great customer service. She's really, really cool. So I recommend going and checking out her store. I will leave a link below the video, but that is what I got, and I'm very, very happy with my purchase. It was kind of a splurge for me, but I sold a journal, so I wanted to get some different stuff to work with because I don't have a lot. I haven't been doing the junk journal thing for very long, so I really wanted to kind of expand, and I haven't used stuff like this before because I don't generally use this kind of stuff. I usually just take my stuff out of books and fussy cut or cut them out or tear them out or what have you. But this is, again, this is the business name, Mixed Media Minnesota. She is on Etsy and on Facebook, and I highly recommend. So go check her out. Like I said, she's got kits, she's got all kinds of die cuts, and oh wow, lots and lots of variety in her listings, which is really, really what I love. I mean, I understand that some people can't put like more than one item in a listing, but she just like bundles these all together and sends you the greatest stuff. So there you have it. Mixed Media Minnesota unboxing. Thank you for watching. Thank you for visiting my channel. Thank you to all the new subscribers and the existing subscribers. Without you guys, this channel would not be a success. So remember, peace, love, and it's not about the destination, it's about the journey. Make it a happy, crafty, and colorful one. So I will see you guys soon. Take care. Bye-bye.